Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. My people, that one here is a rather sad story. And it is a sad story because of what a young man has set out to do and how him end up and meet a bitter end in America by his American wife. This brother here, my people, left Jamaica, get a scholarship and go to America. When him get the scholarship and go to America, him never stay the time when he supposed to in the schooling thing. Him drop out. You understand? Him drop out. Him grades them now keep up. And you know, so if you get scholarship and thing, your grades them have to up, you have to do a thing. When him reach America, him start just knock head with some different type of youth. You understand? Him drop out and him just lift up. Just done with him school thing and just lift up. Right? Him lift up on the America banga round. You understand? Just a do him little thing here and there. But so doing him thing. Him start go out and they everywhere with some different youth all over the place. So still him start go party and baiting. But the party them where him a go. Him buck up this American girl where you know sometime we know have some people are foreigner mixing with the Jamaican them where even though them are foreigner, even though them are American or whatever, them and the Jamaican community tight. Them got all Jamaica party, a Jamaica food them eat, and this a Jamaica man them there with everything. So this a girl that tight knitted with the Jamaican community. Anyway. It turn out now that the brother and the girl start get closer and closer. But you know sometime I know every man when them not straight in America glad for jump up and tell somebody say they are not. You understand? It's not everybody. I go just go so boom and jump up and tell somebody say, you know what? You know me not too good do and ray. So him did it and them say him did it with the girl and them a go on. Anyway. Him and the girl start flex good and the girl rate him because them boy same way too based on how me get here some face boy and you know and dressy and something, right? Him did it with the girl and a go on and so till people start to say yo yeah that thing you look like a canic away you know because him and the girl now party and baiting and him start come like no a fame person that. It happened that the girl decides to help him. Because him open up to the girl and tell the girl what's what and him status in the country and how him reach and baiting. You see me I say? And him bridging them tell him say watch on the man, the girl they have her things you know brother. Ray you know. The girl they this and the girl they that you know the girl they have good job and the girl just love Jamaica and baiting. So him settle. But when him and this girl married, you know, after he married the girl, him find out say a be a little changes in the girl like, you know, him can't go another party by himself again. Him can't do nothing by himself again. Anyway, him and the girl if he did him and the girl all a bust big war in a party and all him kind of something there, you know. Girl all a dash lick up on him and baiting and be kind of sitting there, you know now. You married her in America, the last thing you want to do is to put your hand on a woman. Worse, a American. The girl is not no Caucasian girl. She's a mixed kind of girl. You understand? Mixed race kind of girl. Fair complexion. You could have probably passed him for Caucasian, but them complexion very fair. People, the man go on and the man wall out. This moment him and the girl good. That moment him and the girl good. And when the girl go out and them drink and sit now, be a problem sometime. Always a get in a fight. Him a contemplate if him really go through with that girl, yeah. But him bridging them convince him, say, brother, you know, see you alright. You live at the girl yard. You're married. Girl take care of you. Girl buy your clothes. Because the girl have her money. She have her money. When she come a party, she like the life of the party because her money is spent. She can spend her money. She have her good work where make good money. You understand? Them say them girl will do computer something. You understand? So she in a good work, but she just love Jamaica, love the culture, love the food, love everything about Jamaica. Him and the boy, Did. Go on. Till the boy get him 2-year green card. The boy get him 2-year green card and him did him and the girl a flex and something. And him a tell him Bridget say, boy, no want breed this a girl, you know. Him don't want breed this a girl because this a girl a problem. The way the girl suck on pan him like a man saying can't get a breeze, the Bridget say. The man couldn't get a breeze with this a girl. The girl start watch the man like matlock. The girl put on tracking sitting on the man phone. The girl needs to know the location on him phone and sitting. I don't know, all know. Some woman take that normal because them see after them man safety, so them have the tracking thing on. If worse if you have an iPhone and them kind of thing there. You know? Anyway the man drive go. Him and the woman all in an argument, the woman come like the woman take a picture of the mileage on the car. So if you know how much miles your drive go. You hear me? I say the woman take a picture of the mileage on the man car. You see me? So the woman know if him come out of town or him go farther than his workplace or anything. The woman come like a one pet, but the man I say a one thing with the girl. Them don't know if a obsession. In fact, they don't know what. But this, as far as they can see, the girl love him till the girl fool. And me tell you something. Sometimes it's not good when a woman love you too much as a man. Sometimes a woman love you too much as a man can be a more of a problem. You hear me I tell you? Because a woman like them, they will hurt you. And people, so said that it lead up to with the brother here. Because I'm a face boy and him can dress and he's a party man and them kind of thing there. The girl is very insecure. Worse, the girl find him in a party. So and that's another thing again. The girl find him in a party. So the girl feel like say, yo, him just a got hit pa any girl in a party. And now them married and them little thing there. And the girl knows say he have green card. The woman are watching me even more. It turn out that every now and then them have them little argument and fight. You don't know them kind of toxic relationship there. But them nah left because the boy love sweets. The boy love party life, him love hype life, and him love it dress up and the girl have him money. You see me I deal with. Him did it, him say a promoting him I deal with, party promoting and something him I deal with too. You understand? Because the girl have him money, him not fi work, him just go party and do party promoting and claim to say so. And them little thing there. But him no realize say as much as how him did it and a do him thing, a girl feel like a she control him. So although them say, boy, this a girl you deal with you good, there was a level of control did it. But the youth unruly. The youth unruly and the youth love girl because the youth a party youth. You understand me? I say them freelance youth there. And that's why the woman always a watch him. Because it's either the woman a watch him or the woman friend them a watch him. Or even own Jamaica because the woman have friends with whole heap of Jamaican woman. Whole heap of Jamaican girls and her friend. And them kind of friends that she keep. She not keep America, Jamaican friends she keep. The most of the people them in the party space know her. Because a heavy spender girl and she love everything Jamaica. So sometimes you know, we know our culture already when it come on to Jamaica. And I want to tell you say, even the very Jamaican girl them inform on the man sometime in chat 20 girl rare be a problem man the woman in. It come up now when 2 years run out and the woman do the application and them apply back for the 10 year now and baiting. Everything in a process. Them did it and then go and panga and do them things same way. Until it go so boom, the 10 year come true. The 10 year come true now. So all our go and the youth no one left because the youth live good life and money around and everything. But the thing did start get out of hand. The thing did start get out of hand where man the girl in an argument and the girl draw a knife on him and them kind of something there. You understand? And the girl start make threat and baiting. When we do to him and why him no we do to him. And he can't put his hand on her and baiting. And he go on now till the brother come like the brother pre left. The brother start telling friend them say, yo, Ray, he could have go lift up left the girl. You see me? He could have go lift up left her. You see me? He go on until the brother move out. But the move out where the brother go move out, him never move out for long. He move out and like about a month or sitting after him move right back in with the girl because him love his sweets, him love the money, him love the hype life. And me not know sometime, you know, you have some man with a woman and the woman hype them up. And the woman have the money and the man a spend it. The man not fi work, the man not fi do nothing, him drive fancy car, him do this, him say him a big promoter, and ray. Any party we a keep a steal the woman money if you keep a party. But them a say, boy, the woman love, the woman that take down the moon and the stars them from out of the sky and get a brother ya. I saw the woman rate him. You see me, and whole heap of gyal look him and be a thing. So the woman is very insecure because the woman know how they met and everything and what they got through. After the boss move back in now, them did it, go on, them go every party again, them do them everything again. And them time they know, this a youth you know, we trigger off everything now. Them say the youth convince the woman say, him want buy coaster bus a Jamaica. You understand? Him saying want buy coaster bus a Jamaica to put on the road. So him ending up, the woman ending up rush on some money on him. Him buy coaster bus a Jamaica and buy car a Jamaica. Say anytime we go down, we have car for drive and sitting. When him get the 10 year, man, the woman go Jamaica. Cause him then run down, when him get the 2 year, he no go Jamaica none tall. After him, when him get the 2 year, none tall for the 2 year, him no go Jamaica. When him get the 10 year now, him and the woman go Jamaica. And within a year, about 3 times them go Jamaica. And remember in that time they, you know, them have them little this and that, and the boy will move out after 10 years and move back in, you know. And then him go tell the woman about coaster bus and thing. So it's probably a case where him carry a woman go Jamaica to show the woman how the coaster bus can make money or war a big business. At least 3 times in a year that them go Jamaica. It happened that them come back. The youth have the coaster bus down there, them have a car down there. But it go happen now that the youth start digging at a girl. Because sometimes a man can feel like them alright. Like me I tell some man, so brother, I know every woman you can ramp with. You have to know where you know I do sometime. The man have him coaster bus down a yard and car and thing and I in a film them bike and the woman just give him money. As Mr. the woman that do everything for him. Based on how that thing you reach me. But I don't know regular girl. Her head hot too. You understand? But as you don't know say American, but if she mix. He go on, you know, and thing. And the youth come like me, no know if alright, the youth alright, and the girl with the youth are digging up on the side. You know, say this and that start reach this up girl, you know. This and that start reach him wife, and so a be a little thing start happen, boy come like me don't know what this a girl ya give this a boy about the anything the boy not left the girl. Every minute him and the wife in a problem, in a problem. Till all the wife and the girl end up in a problem. People, you don't know say the youth pack up and left the wife again and move in with this a girl ya. You hear me I say? Moving with this a girl you know. The wife furious. And the man them say, the wife say, if she can't have him, nobody else can. You hear me I say? If she cannot have him, nobody else can. Because as she bring him to the level where him there right now. Make them a crazy over him. People, the man ending up, did it with that the girl for a while. One piece of rugmaroo in a party be a problem in a party all the while. All the new girl who them there with and the wife boss big fight in a party. You see me I deal with the wife family them in a big things with the boy in America. Because them say him disrespect them family and Ray and Tay use them and a be a problem. You see me I deal but remember me tell you say that woman here closely knitted with the Jamaica community. Because of that she depend. She an American mixed girl but a Jamaica side she rock with. You don't know, so the youth left America gone down because of everything we go and say my good don't go cool out. Because be a fool and you shall go on in America. Him wife and him girlfriend not be a big problem. Anyway, wife see the girlfriend a problem start and ray and any party man the wife book up the wife create a scene and the wife family them want things with him and be a problem. And the man say my God Jamaica go cool out. People. The person we send on the story say the wife talk it over and over. Say if she can't have him, nobody else will. And no matter what, she will empty her bank account to make sure say nobody else can't have him. And people, so said, so done. So said, so done. The car with the man of a Jamaica. The car with the man of a Jamaica. Right in the car then pick up 4 shots in a chest plate. Just as him a go him a go stay the Airbnb. 4 shots in a chest plate. Because the wife know everything. The wife, every email when him get and everything when him get a message and the wife know everything. Oh, the man they say, oh, this woman, the woman connect the man phone to fear phone. All WhatsApp message and everything we are going through the phone. The wife can see it. Airbnb a book, address, everything, arrangement, flight, everything the wife know it. The same car. Remember, him buy from down in Jamaica they have it there. The wife know Reggie, the wife know everything. A 4 shot the man pick up in a chest plate. The man them say, them now fi ask Christ. And the wife set the link from in America because he knows so much Jamaican man and pay how much money. And that's the youth. All because she love the youth and the youth. Them just the relationship just toxic and the youth. Move out pan her and go live with the other woman. And she never stop talking. If she can't have him, nobody else can. And that youth never make it back from Jamaica. 4 in a chest plate in the car. Right there so him pronounce. And alive. But me tell you something. Enough man love sweetie and love woman mind them. And take woman money and do this and do that. But it's not every woman a man can take for fool. It's not every woman money a man can take and just do him one do it and think so when he move out or move on that's how he go. I done it done. No. All of the man friend them and family and everybody know say are the wife spend and put contract on him at Jamaica. Right a foreign him wife stand from a link with man in a foreign and put contract on the youth at Jamaica. 4 in a chest plate and pronouncing at the car there. He never make it back to America. All because a woman will love him till she fool and say if she can't have him, nobody else will. So if enough of the man that me telling you this, when you take up on yourself and you go foreign and there with some people you know now do, you have a thing named life insurance and you have a thing when you contract it. Don't ramp with it. Worse when a woman fall deep in love with you. Believe when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.